Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cage a bustier to give it that beautiful, structured and professional finish. This technique helps to enhance the shape and provide support and keep your bustier looking neat and well constructed. The lining is what we use to cage this bustier, giving it structure and support. So you're just going to cut out your lining before you start. And make sure to interface it with your hairstay. So we're going to be working on the center pieces, and I'll take these side pieces out first. So we're going to get a soft wording, as soft as you want to go. I'm going to trace out the bust area on the side, at the center front, and on the other side. I'm just going to trace it out. So I've gone ahead to iron my interface, so I've done that on all of the three pieces. Now I'm going to be stitching them all together. So moving on next, you see how nice it's all looking, all clean and well drafted. So we'll fold it in to work on our caging. I'll put the tailor's ham in, so I'm going to use my pen and mark the point where we're going to be caging. Always try to keep your tailor's ham underneath your bust area to help retain the shape of the bust. So what I'm doing right now is marking the points where we're going to be caging. Now we're going to be finding the point of our nipple to nipple measurement, the highest point. So we look for the highest point and mark on it. That's my own. So I'm going to mark it and then connect it to the other side. So that's the highest point. And now I'm going to join the lines together. Now I'm also going to stretch down the line to get to the other end on both sides. See how this is where we're going to be caging? Round under the bust point. So I'm going to find the middle point of my center front panel and divide it into two. So after dividing it, I'll mark the point and extend the line together. And we're also going to cage this point. We're going to be using Regiline boning caging. So you see all those lines that has been drawn. I'll place the boning on top of it and stitch the boning to those points. So we'll do this for all the lines. So you can actually create more lines if you want, just do as much as you're comfortable with. I'm just going to place this on this and stitch it. When you're stitching your bustier line, please follow the natural curve and be careful, then fold it in while you're stitching. Be careful and follow that curve. If not, you end up with a flat bustier after you're done stitching. So I went ahead to sew in the rest of my boning off camera. So always remember to put your tailor's ham while you're ironing your bust area to avoid it being flat. So we're just going to iron properly, iron every corner of this fabric, iron it and make it look very nice. Now on the bust area, we're going to be placing our gum stay. So put your gum stay all around your bust area. So there are different sizes of gum stay, but this is the one that I have. I have the one that is about 1 inch. So you can use whatever type you have, but make sure it's your gum stay you're putting, because we're going to be adding another fabric on top, which is the fiber fabric. So I've created layers of gum stay. Now we're moving on. So I've just placed my fiber fabric on top of my bust area, and then I'll press it very hard. So the goal is to structure the bust area, which is what that fiber is going to give us extra support. So we're going to press it down as much as possible to create the shape of our bust. So you keep pressing it until, and then you trim it out. So you can see we've trimmed out our fiber and it's looking all done properly. So if I should flip it around, you see that it's well constructed. You can now go ahead and pin your main fabric to your caged lining and then stitch together. And that's the end of the tutorial. If you learned something from this, please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. See you on my next project. Bye.